Good morning guys. So we are passing through London over the next couple of days. We've just touched down from Australia. We're on our way home to surprise our families. If you missed that video, go and check out because that's a good one. But we're spending 2 days in London. We thought it was the perfect opportunity to show you guys the best things that you can do in London. 2 days, super easy. First stop, a Greggs sausage roll. Now we've been out of Australia, but we've been out of the UK for about a year now, and we've been missing the probably the most one of the most commercial things that you can do in the UK, but it's definitely one you need to try if you've not done already. It's a vegan sausage roll from Greggs.
Yep.
Let's get stuck into that, get some breakfast, and then we'll go on and show you some of the better sites in London.
That is good. Really good. What one?
Yes, please.
You might have them both.
Covent Gardens is a no-brainer when you're coming to London during Christmas. It's possibly one of our favourite places to come
It's
to.
always so well decorated and like lovely little Christmas market. So yes.
So we're going to have a wander around, and there's one spot in particular where we're going to go to first,
Yep.
where you can get some free tea.
Yeah.
If you're coming to London, you can't go without going out and drinking some of the tea. Sitting underneath Covent Gardens, you've got the free tea from Whittard Teas. It's a really good place to go and check out. You can drink as much tea as you want, and especially around Christmas time, we've got loads of themed teas just to get you into Christmas spirit. The downside of this place is they use single-use plastic cups, but if you're going with someone else, just use one, share it, and try and reuse it as many times as you can. When you're in London, if you're wanting to find a bit more of a secluded place, one of our favourite hidden gems is actually the Little Venice canals, which we actually stumbled upon by accident one time when we were trying to find a cafe, and we came along and there's loads of little cute canals and everywhere. It's a really quiet and underrated part of London that not a lot of people even know exists. So there's still actually enough atmosphere here. You can come along, have a coffee, have a beer, whatever, get some food, but it's still quiet enough that you would forget that you're actually in the city centre of London.
Fancy going ice skating?
No chance. Not after last time.
Yeah, the last time Campbell and I went ice skating was in Edinburgh Christmas Markets.
It wasn't fun. I've said to Gemma about 400 times that I can't skate. So then she thinks that I can actually skate. She pulls me onto the ice and then skates away and leaves me, and I'm just left standing there like this. I can't move.
Funniest thing I've ever seen. He was almost taking everybody out once he got going. One day we'll get you back on the ice. There
it is, Jim. The beautiful London Bridge.
Yeah. Who else thought that that was called London Bridge for a long time before they actually realised that that's Tower Bridge?
I know. It's not London Bridge, FYI. Number one tourist.
Do you know, it's something that I think the majority of people do think if you're not from London.
Yeah.
I'm sure
because it's the most famous bridge in London. It's actually Tower Bridge, not London Bridge. If you are coming to Tower Bridge, we recommend you sign out as early as you can. When we first came here for sunrise, one time when we were living here at winter, it was completely empty. We were like the only ones here, and it was about probably 7 in the morning. It's now almost midday, and you can tell it's one of the top tourist attractions in London because it's just always busy. It's like insane how many people come here.
Seems like there's a lot of free walking tours and things,
yes.
Or tours on around the area.
Walking tour as well if you want to know a bit more about the city.
Yeah.
We're just walking around ourselves. We're following a little itinerary we've got planned, which is on our website. I'll put a link down below if you want to follow that yourselves. But we can highly recommend the free walking tours. You get to know the city and get to know the history and all the stories that I've got to be told about London because it's simply fascinating.
Welcome to Tower Bridge. We are going up 110 feet or 33 metres. When you get to the top, you exit through the door to my left.
It's still actually used like 1,000 times a year, just 3 times a day. Think about it, since it's about 300 years old, that's quite a lot of work for such a bridge to be doing. Really impressive.
It is. That's cut down from 9,000 times a year.
It's about 30 times a day.
Yeah. But I actually can't see what's about it. How am I supposed to go on a bungee jump? I can't even walk out onto something like this. I get such jelly legs.
It's that first bit, isn't it? I know. It's funny, like, the children come on and sleep on the floor, and all the grown-ups around the edge. And the mums and dads are going, can you go and get him back? I was worried the first time.
I'm not, I'm scared to move. I'll walk along the edge now.
So Borough Markets, just over London Bridge. It's right beside Tower Bridge, so if you're heading that way you need to come and check it out. It's not as good for free samples, but for some reason this time when we visited there's been a lot more free samples that actually go around. Yeah, it's a nice market to come and actually visit because the atmosphere is really good, but if you're looking for some free stuff it's not a place to go to. So one of the things when you're on the South Bank that you need to go and check out is right beside the Tower Bridge, and it's called the Shard, which is the tallest building in England. It might be the tallest in Europe. I mean, you can't miss it, it's right on the Thames and it's probably one of the most unique buildings in London. A lot of people think you actually need to pay to get up to it. There is a viewing platform, but in my opinion it's a bit of a rip-off because you're outside, especially on a winter's day, you're going to be freezing cold. What you're better doing is heading up to the bar, which is about 2 stories below the viewing platform. Get a drink or don't get a drink, either way they probably won't kick you out, but me what Gemma and I normally do is we get a drink and share it, and it costs about £8 for a beer. And from there you can get beautiful views all over across London. You can either go for sunset or you can just go during the day, and it's a fantastic view. Now if you're wanting to get the actual view of the Shard itself, what you're better doing is going across the river and heading to the Sky Garden, where you can see not only the Shard but you can see Tower Bridge, you can see all of London, and you don't even need to pay at all because it's basically a bar and a restaurant up the top. You can either book an appointment to get up there or you can just go along and stand in a queue. You might be queuing for about half an hour to an hour to get up, so you're better off booking an appointment. But that's by far the best view of London, is up the Sky Garden.
Okay, so there you have it, the best sights to see in London. We've had a great couple of days here despite feeling a little bit jet lagged. But it's time for us to head back to Glasgow now. If you are in London, make sure you check out the rest of the posts on our website. There's sneaky little other bonus places that are on the blog posts on there.
Top sites that you cannot miss, go and check that out, we'll put some links down below.
And yeah, we will see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this, then give it a little thumbs up for us. And anything else?
No, we'll see you next time guys.